Ever wanted to bring your own 2D characters to life with real-time animation, but aren't ready to pay for a subscription? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the official version of Adobe Character Animator for free on both PC and Mac. We're going to stick to the official Adobe route today to make sure you get the secure, fully functional version without any risks. To save you some time searching, I've put the direct link to the official download page right at the top of the description below. Go ahead and click that now so you're on the right page. And let's jump in. Once you've clicked the link in the description, you'll land on the Adobe website. You'll want to look for the free trial button, which is usually at the top right of the page or in the main banner. Click that to proceed. Adobe will present you with plan options. Character Animator is included in the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. Since we are grabbing the free trial, go ahead and select that plan and click Continue. Next, you'll need to sign in. You can create a new Adobe account or use an existing Google, Facebook, or Apple login. Just a heads up, Adobe does ask for payment information to activate the trial, but you won't be charged a dime if you decide to cancel before the trial period is over. After you finish signing up, the Creative Cloud installer will automatically start downloading. If it doesn't appear, just click the Install Creative Cloud app link on the screen. Open up that installer file. It will ask for permission to run. Click Yes or Open. The Creative Cloud desktop app will take a moment to install and load up. Think of this as the main dashboard for all your Adobe tools. While the Creative Cloud app is open, you might see Character Animator install automatically. If not, just scroll through the All Apps list to find Character Animator or use the search bar. Click the Install button next to it. Once the installation bar hits 100%, you can launch Character Animator straight from the Creative Cloud app or from your computer's Applications menu. You're now all set with the full version to start animating. That's the official process for installing Adobe Character Animator on your system for free. It's the best way to test out the tools safely. If this video saved you some time, please drop a like. It makes a huge difference for the channel. And remember, the link to the official download is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.